Forget everything you think you know about investing. Feel that frustration boiling inside. Knowing the system is rigged against you, that your capital is chained to layers of fees, middlemen, and outdated structures built to protect the comfortable, not to multiply your impact. You're tired of sitting on the sidelines, watching deals that should be transformative slip through, controlled by gatekeepers who don't share your vision, your urgency, your hunger to build something real. That gnawing anger, the one that screams, "Why can't I control my own money? Why can't I direct my capital where it truly matters?" That is your power, your fuel. It's the fire that will ignite a revolution in how capital moves, how wealth grows, and how real change happens. Direct investing is not just another hype or trend. It is the weapon against passivity, the rebellion against endless intermediaries who take a cut while your money sleeps, or worse, works against your mission. Imagine cutting through the noise, stepping out of the crowds, and investing directly into founders, startups, ventures you believe in with your own hands and your own deal. To seize control of allocation means to seize your freedom, the freedom to align capital with vision, with raw, unfiltered growth, with potential few dare to touch. This is the future, but only for those who refuse to settle for crumbs handed by fund managers who hide behind layers of complexity and promises they don't keep. Here's the ruthless truth. If you are still waiting for a safe fund, for someone else to decide what's worth your money, you are already losing. The future belongs to the doers, the direct allocators who get up close and learn the markets from the inside out, who get their fingers dirty, who build personal, brutal relationships with founders and understand their pain, their grit, their potential. This level of engagement, this brutal intimacy with your capital's path, is where true alpha is born. No index fund or traditional private equity structure can match that. It's hidden in the messy human side of investment. The late nights, the burning questions, the gut calls, the direct influence that shapes the company, not just the portfolio. You don't just decide to do direct investing, you command it. Step 1, abandon the old narratives that told you investing is passive or distant. Dive deep into craft. Know how to spot leadership that's not just good on paper, but ruthlessly capable. Demand transparency, demand access, demand every inch of insight you can sniff out. Step 2, build your tribe, your network of real, raw connections, other founders, other investors, as brutally honest and demanding as you. Avoid the herd. Surround yourself with those who think direct and act direct. Step 3, inject capital as a partner, not a pit stop. Use every dollar to carve not only ownership, but influence. Shape the company's trajectory yourself. Turn startups into permanent weapons of change, not just short-term profits. This path is savage, no safety net, no excuses. But it's the only one where your capital grabs its true power and doesn't just drift. This is where humanity, real self-driven creators and investors break free from the chains of illusion. The traditional private equity world is collapsing under its own weight, slow, bureaucratic, blind to the world's shifting realities. The future belongs to those who own the direct path, those who reject myths of ease and embrace the brutal challenge of real-world investing, where every decision slices through fog, every connection is a lifeline, and every return is earned with sweat and relentless focus. Harness this, build this, demand this. The system won't hand you the keys, you must shatter the door. Direct investing isn't just the future. It's the rebellion against control, the reclaiming of freedom, the return of power to those who dare to move first and move deep. If you feel that fire, the fury at wasted potential, the hunger to invest as a warrior, then this is your battlefield. Own it, or stay a spectator forever.